Are you looking for real estate buyer leads using Facebook ads? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll set up a lead generation campaign and advertise new construction homes to generate the buyer leads. The beauty of advertising new construction as an agent is that you don't have to work exclusively with only one community. In fact, if better for your client, you don't have to keep looking at new construction at all. You can go for resales. A buyer lead is a buyer lead. So let's begin. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, let's get some buyer leads. We're going to go with a new construction ad. So new builds, that's what we're going to be advertising. I like this type of ad because it presents well, it being the property. So it gives us some good flexibility on what we can advertise in as far as images, so the images that we can use, and also there's some quirks with new construction that make it rewarding for an agent to place a client into a new build community. All right, so we're gonna go with, I am creating a campaign on the special ads category. As a reminder, if you're running housing, employment, and credit ads, you have to highlight the special ad category or else your ad will not show. We are going to go with the lead generation campaign. And it is I'm going to say new homes because that's what the ad copy actually says. And we're going to use a campaign budget optimization. I'm trying to get into the habit of using it a little bit more. I am used to adjusting the budget based off of the ad set, not from the campaign level. But since Facebook is migrating over to the campaign, setting the budget from the campaign level, I'm getting into the habit of doing this a little bit more frequently rather than turning that off and adjusting the budget based off of the ad campaign. I'm sorry, the ad set. So we're going to go with daily budget of $20. Go with lead, new homes. And the first interest we're going to go with is renting. So I'll copy this for a few seconds. Actually, grow 15 miles. So setting my location and then the interest as well. Now I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy this. I want to exclude an audience, and that audience that I'm excluding is the people that have engaged with my content or with my posts from my Facebook business page. That's the reason being is I don't want to show this particular ad to them again. I want to get fresh eyes on this particular campaign. All right, and we're going to go here, get it closer to the city that we're going to be highlighting. We're going to go with the people who live in this location. And then we're going to select the interest of renting. All right. We're going to go to edit placements. I am only interested in the newsfeed at the moment. Okay. Alrighty. It says the potential reach is unavailable. Are we too small? Is that what's happening? Let's X out of that. And go with, let's see, starter home. I'm still going to test it, but I just want to see. That's fine. We will go with renting. And we're going to find out what the potential reach is after we start running the ad. We go to continue. There we go. It's going to be a single image. Clear that. Add an image. And I have this already. All right. Oops. Continue. We're going to use this add copy. It's pretty simple, straight to the point. Calling out home buyers in the city that we're advertising, saying that there's brand new homes and that they were just reduced by a good amount. So we're going to keep it nice and sweet. New homes. Nope. Crowley. New homes. Limited. It is the final phase. So I want to make sure they know that. And we want them to learn more. Put my screen over here. And I have one in the past, so I'm going to highlight the form that I used. And just so you see the form, we are going with all of the perks of the new home. And then the thank you page, well, I'm sorry, the private policy, and then the thank you page. So there you go. We're going to go to continue. All right, now we're going to duplicate this. We're going to do 5 interests. So we're split testing this. So depending on where Facebook allocates the money, we'll see how it gets divvied up. It's not going to be if there's 5 categories that I'm spending $20, it's not going to be $4 for each one. Facebook, since it's the budget optimization, will adjust based off of what they feel will get results. Starter home, that's going to be our interest. Let me copy this one more time. Come back here and remove the renting. There we go. Then we're going to go to add. Go to new homes. I'm sorry. Copy the starter home interest. Publish. Close. Come back to the ad sets. All right, now I'm going to duplicate it one more time. This one's a little bit different. We're going to go with something interesting. We're going to go with wealth management. Because again, we're split testing. Want to see what's working. Copy that. Take out the renting part. Go with wealth management. Go to the ad. Paste. Publish. Then we're going to go back again to the renting, duplicate that. And yes, we can select the number of copies, but personally, it confuses me a bit, so I just like to go one-on-one. Commercial property. Okay. Now go over here, paste that, publish. One more to go. Close that, go back, duplicate one more time. As a reminder, this is a lead generation campaign. So we are speeding through this. We didn't create the lead form because I already had that going. So I will link another video in the description below that shows you how to create a form so you don't miss out on that as well. But I just want to show you, since there's a good amount of work to do on the back end, I just want to show you how to get all this done in a very quick manner. Now don't forget to like this video so its reach is magnified and others benefit. All right, so we have that. Cool. We're going to go to publish. We're going to close. Now remember, since we are linking all of our campaigns to a lead form, the same lead form that we highlighted in renting, be sure that that lead form is being sent over to your CRM. In my example, I have LionDesk. So I'm using Zapier to connect the lead form to take the lead from Facebook, zap it over to LionDesk, and then LionDesk, they're going to be receiving my email drip campaigns and my text campaigns, and I will be notified whenever a new lead comes in so I can call them immediately. So this is really all you need to do to create some buyer leads for you. If you found value in this video today, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so we can talk again soon.